If you love Arch Linux but want something a bit more user-friendly or packed with extra features out of the box, you are in the right place. In 2025, several Arch-based distributions have taken the Linux community by storm, offering performance, customization, and modern features. Let's dive into the top 5 Arch Linux based distros you should check it out this year. Number 1. CachyOS. Performance Redefined. CachyOS is gaining serious momentum in 2025. Designed with performance and speed in mind, this distro uses aggressive compiler optimizations like the board scheduler and LTO, which is link time optimization, to squeeze every ounce of power from your system. The UI. It's sleek, modern, and available in multiple desktop environments. Plus, it includes the CachyOS kernel and helpful graphic tools that make Arch much easier for new users. It's great for gamers, power users, and performance-focused desktops. Now, number 2. Garuda Linux. Eye candy meets power. Garuda Linux continues to impress in 2025 with its bold aesthetics and performance tweaks. Built on Arch, it offers Btrfs with snapshots, Zen Kernel, and tons of pre-installed apps tailored for gaming, productivity, and system control. It comes in multiple editions like KDE Dragonized, GNOME, and even gaming-focused variants. And yes, it looks as good as it performs. It's perfect for gamers, designers, and users who want a visually stunning system. Now, number 3. Manjaro Linux. Arch, the easy way. Manjaro remains one of the most popular Arch-based distros for a good reason. It delivers the Arch experience with a layer of stability and ease. Unlike pure Arch, Manjaro uses its own package repositories, which are slightly delayed for testing and reliability. With community and official editions, you get access to the XFCE, KDE Plasma, GNOME, Cinnamon, and more. Plus excellent hardware detection and driver support. It's best for newcomers to Arch and users who want stability with Arch's rolling release nature. Now, number 4. EndeavourOS. Pure Arch, the friendly way. EndeavourOS gives you that pure Arch feeling, but with a more welcoming setup. You get a minimal base install with the flexibility to choose your own desktop environment during installation. In 2025, EndeavourOS also brings advanced hardware support, better online documentation, and a tight-knit community. It's the perfect blend of control and usability. It's ideal for immediate to advanced users who want a near Arch experience with easier setup. Now finally, number 5. RTX Linux. Arch but without systemd. RTX Linux is for those who want the Arch base but without systemd. Instead, it uses alternatives like Runit, OpenRC, or S6 as init systems. It's a powerful choice for users who prefer a more modular, traditional Unix philosophy. While it's not aimed at beginners, RTX has found its niche among privacy-conscious and advanced Linux users. It's great for systemd-free environments and users who want total control over init systems. And now, conclusion. Whether you're after a raw performance, aesthetic polish, or systemd-free freedom, there is an Arch-based distro in 2025 that fits your needs. All 5 of these distributions bring something unique to the table. So try them out and see which one clicks for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Linux content. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.